Hi, in last period I am very focused on designing organ devices. Many people know that I worked with organ accumulators and similar devices. They are for collecting organ energy, but they are accumulators. I got idea to make generators, so I think that I have nice progress and it works. So why I'm saying generator, I call this device POG, which means parametric organ generator. So this just word generator could mislead a little bit. Just to tell you, I'm not generating a device, not generating organ. The same electric generator, not generating electrons. Electron already exist. So the same here. Um, in some materials, like Wilhelm Reich described, attract organ. So organ is captured and it's on the surface of material. What I'm trying to do to take from there and direct where I want. So uh, there are some videos where I publish when I'm tapping here, and there's just cable. It could be aluminum foil, can make 300 volts LED or even 600 volts flashing. So it was my first starting point. Then I change. So if, you can find on my YouTube channel. Do not repeat this now. So I change approach. I made decision to fill in this PVC tube with water. It could be any water, tap water, distillate water, okay, not distillate, but bottled water, rainwater. So, and with that, so it will be my inner water, will be my inner, let's say, electrode. So why it's parametric? So we have situation just, let's say, okay, it is dielectric, insulator. In electric terms, it's dielectric. So we have water from one side. It's the same as we have, let's say that we have plate. So in electrical terms, is nothing. I can't say it is half capacitor, because in electrical terms, half capacitor do not exist, do nothing. So, but let's say over here is conductor, water, then we have dielectric isolator with this PVC tube here. Then we have air. So let's say the water have dielectric constant 80, about 80. PVC tube 3 to 8 depends on of additives during production. Air has the electric constant 1. Then we have my hand, which is conductive. Our body is conductive, and humans, I think about 30 or 50, I don't know, depends on how much dry skin, whatever. So what I'm doing when I'm touch with hand surface of PVC tube, so then let's say I took some charge. What is PVC? Actually, the source is PVC tube now, not water. PVC water is medium, and when I'm doing like this, distance from that, then I create capacitor, additional capacitor between my hand and the PVC tube, and the air is between. So when I'm doing that, I'm making oscillation in energy charge exchange, and it is oscillation, and water pick up from another side, and it make flushing. I will make later presentation. Even I will make flash of neon tube. So it is one version, but I'm rather think about this, that I make longer, and the water is inside, and this stainless steel tube is immersed here. So when I'm tapping, then high voltage potential is here, and it could be from water. Then I can direct where I want to direct this energy, this charge. So I'm directing this charge to the room, to the part of room, or to the person. But also from here is radiation, because this parametric oscillation is not symmetric, it's asymmetric, because it's AC. It is AC, let's say, voltage, but asymmetric. That's why that it means what it's not return what send, it return less. And how I'm doing that in the surrounding objects, not all, depends what kind of nature of that objects, that when I'm stopped with this action, some objects around will still have charge and will have secondary radiation. So, but the radiation depends of radius. So bigger radius means that I need extreme more higher voltage to release this object. So everything is described in my book. The link you will see in the description section. So, but it's what is important also, what kind of material you will use. It is even the same thing. Plexiglass is also good. Glass is not good. This is polyethylene, PE. It's not good. So paper is not good as well. So some acrylics are also good. Let's say this, the electric constant means nothing. This is barium, titanium oxides, something else, and there is let's say water has about 80. This one has a maximum about 8. This one has about 40,000 dielectric constants. But with that one, I can't make that. So there is something else is very important, that seems that it's not only dielectric here, the source. I notice, and I'm still trying, I can't make it works properly, like with hands, just, which means with hand, with it should be connected with me. Even if I will use, just a moment, let me show you. Let's say, even if I will use this screwdriver and metal here, no matter the size, if I will do that, it could happen that will work. But because I'm creating very high voltage with this action, and this isolator has maximum voltage to be safe. Actually, everything is safe. Even you will not get any shock, even it's high voltage. So, but then this material uh, isolator is actually resistor, and so when I get work with this, it means that because it's connected with me. But if I will make it dependent from me, then it will not works. So maybe some energy from me is involved, or bioelectricity or whatever. Maybe I don't know. Just it works the best, or with hands. I mean, with any part of my body. But if I try to make independent generator with some metals, let's say with this one alone with independent from me, will not make it works. So that's why maybe it's really these things is tricky. So what thing you should do, you should tap, no matter, no, you don't have to tap like this. You could, but you do not need. When you do that like this, later you don't have to touch, just to vibrate your hand close to, and it will works. So to how I will now make presentation. I will now make presentation of detection. So it's not the purpose of that for work. It's just to give you idea what you are getting by simply tapping. I will prepare now. Now I connected. This is 96 LEDs in series, so it is over 300 volts is needed to make it flash. So one, in this case positive, because it's AC, I choose like this to go on positive, but it can go on negative as well. So I choose it goes to positive, and connected to this tube, immersing electrode, and now I will make so you can see it flashing. So another terminal from LED panels was connected to ground connection, to grounding, but now I'm connected with me. So this energy will pass through me. Let's see. Okay. So which means because it's this direction, now energy goes from water to me and close here. So the circuit is connected. This tube can hold someone else. In that case, if someone else will hold this, I will tap, so which means that my action in this device will send energy to someone who is holding this. But it could be opposite, that if I change direction of this, if I change direction, it also works, but see, in that case, someone else who is holding this tube gives energy to me, to water, but every time when I touch, so when I'm doing like this, I drag energy from that person. Now I will make presentation of another experiment. I need to prepare for that. Okay, this is double. This is double. Why? If I do like this or like this, so it means when this one is sending, this one is dragging. Dragging is correct? Dragging. Yeah, dragging. And opposite. So, which means that it's the energy goes like this, like AC current. And perhaps it is, oh, this one should not touch here. I need to not touch. So what is all, okay, let's try. I think that you can see the flash, not too much bright because it's safe energy, not high current, of course. It is or like this to do that like this. So, but what is very important, this surface should be dry. Your hand, our hand should be not wet, not sweat, not cream something, okay? So to be clean and dry. Why? If I will make my hand palm wet, and it will work for a while, but it will form a water layer, moisture layer that will be conductive. So it change nature of this oscillator, even simply. So which means, let's see that like I'm doing like this, that you can see that, let's keep the flash, but if I will put, let's say, aluminum, conductive material, and now I will tap conductive material. See, nothing. So why? Because it must be direct contact, the electric and hand, not metal. So which means it is that kind of principle. So more will come soon, I guess. You can contact me if you want. You can buy books. So my job in near future will be in working on a new type of organ generators. We're still using only what Wilhelm Reich made. There is some orgonite, but it's questionable how much orgonite is really connected to orgon. But I'm not criticize. It's something. I will not go in this, that. So I want to make new, to be cheaper. Instead to make bigger one to sit, which is expensive. You can create a small one, but that's why I call that dynamic. They are static. This is dynamic. Then spread that energy directly to the person or to the cat, to the dog, to the plant, whatever, or to near objects that you can make measure easy with detectors over here how much voltage in air, what is E field around, and that E field stay even you stop with action. That's it for now.